I think breakfast food as a category is really more of a suggestion than a rule. Hi, I'm Xteen. I just got back from a run and I'm going to make a taco salad for breakfast. First thing I'm gonna do is wash and chop up these hearts of romaine. Is that what they're called? The base of the taco salad should just be kind of a crunchy, watery vessel for shoveling the toppings into your mouth. I feel like cutting your lettuce into strips is the move. Provides for the optimal bite. This looks good. I find it to be unsettling when there's a whole grape tomato in a bite of taco salad. It's too much. It's too much tomato at once. I want smaller pieces of tomato. So I'm gonna cut these into smaller pieces. I hope watching me make a taco salad for breakfast is somewhat relaxing. Just chill out, you know? I'm doing the cooking. Next, I'm just gonna dump some beans in there. I love beans. I am a bean girl. These are just some black beans. I rinsed them, a little extra protein. I feel like that's good. That's probably a lot. Next, I'm gonna shred some cheese. I'm a vegetarian. This is going to be a vegetarian taco salad. Surprise. I have been for 17 years. The reason I'm telling you this is because some cheese is made with animal rennet, some isn't. Animal rennet is basically like enzymes from the stomach of an animal. It's kind of gross. Cabot cheese contains no animal rennet. It is my preferred cheese and it states that it doesn't have any animal rennet in it very clearly on the back of the package, which I appreciate. And I want to add my cheese before the chorizo, which is going to be a hot ingredient so that the cheese gets a little melty. I have a bad habit of making my salads just huge on accident. It's time for chorizo. I'm gonna be honest, I've never tried this brand before. I don't know her. Cacique. Believe I bought it at Wegmans a while ago. Beans and Wegmans. Those are two things I love. This part's not gonna be cute. Okay, it's browning up a little bit. We'll just let it sit for a minute. Okay, it's done, and I burned it a little bit on accident. Not too much, I think it'll still be fine. I received a stressful text while it was on the stovetop, and I got distracted. And then finally, so happy she's here, so happy she could be with us today, an avocado. Yes! I'm gonna put a whole avocado on my taco salad because it's delicious. It's the right thing to do. When it was sort of aesthetically pleasing, but then you mash a whole avocado on top. Story of my life. Finally, the last ingredient. If you've watched some of my other videos, you might know what this is, but it's hard for me to tell if anybody watches any of my videos. Herdez! Herdez! Herdez. Herdez Chipotle Salsa Cremosa. It is creamy, it's a little spicy, it's delicious. Okay. We did it, everybody. Look at the height on that. That's a tall taco salad. Breakfast of champions.